What's going on, guys? It's the Poster64 back here with another quick bit of Godzilla news. Guys, we now have official confirmation. The MonsterArts Godzilla Singular Point Godzilla Ultima figure is up for pre-order now. I just picked mine up from BigBadToyStore. Guys, this guy has a figure retail of $119.99 on the site. Estimated to arrive December 2021. I just wanted to jump on here, let you guys know this figure's available. Go ahead and pre-order it now. You'll get it in a couple months. BigBadToyStore does not charge until they ship, so you can go ahead and place your pre-order now, and you're fine on having to pay. You won't have to pay until it ships in December. And I'm really excited for this guy. I love the design of this figure. I'm really excited to watch the show when it comes out on Netflix later this month. So let me know, guys, are you pre-ordering him? Let me know down in the comments. In the description, I will link the link to BigBadToyStore where you can go and pre-order this guy. I'm not sure if he's going to be the same deal as the Godzilla 2021. I know that one sold out super quickly and was pretty hard to come by for a while. So if you're interested in this guy, I definitely recommend going ahead, jumping on him now, and picking him up. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.